Recently, I have been working on a small project where I was learning Docker, Olama, AI integration, and stuff. So, based on that, I felt like I should make something which is helpful for me and for others as well. So, this is an ATS engine that I built for myself to assess my resumes based on the job descriptions that we usually have on LinkedIn profiles or LinkedIn job descriptions. So at first we have this job description here, which is from here Microsoft. So let's just copy this and we'll return to the application, paste the JD here, and I'll be using my old resume here, for instance. And this is my old resume that I've been using for quite some time, and it was quite the problem at first. So let me show you the results of the analysis. So as you can see, I have a pretty decent GPU with me, so it renders fast. So here's the thing, the bullets, keywords, sections, all are being scored and based on the similarity patterns based on the JD versus my resume. So what keywords which were missing in my resume versus what the JD wants. And depending on the profile and other headings on my resume, they have been assessed as well. So this is a project that I made in 4 days. It took me around 4 days to bring everything up. So I would say it is a pretty decent description based on JD and my resume. And yes, it is helping me a lot more to improve in my resume and posting stuff which actually works. I've also prepared a new resume based on the JD versus the resume score. I'll be sharing it later. Also, after using the system, I have received around 10 interview calls as well. So this is pretty decent and actually works. So I'm happy with it. See you with the next project later. Have a good day.